Third section of this chapter is highlighting and talking about the real enterprise resource planning. So, enterprise resource planning systems. What does it mean? How they work? Enterprise resource planning. So, friends, enterprise resource planning is used to manage the business. What will be integrated into it? Planning, production, sales, technology, storage, inventory management, HR, accounting, access control, and other aspects also whenever needed. ERP is a system for improving the efficiency of business processes. It allows for the rapid sharing of standardized information throughout all departments. Employees enter information into ERP systems, creating a real-time enterprise-wide snapshot. At any moment, if you are logged, then you will be able to see what's happening, where, when. And problems in any area will get automatically created alert in other affected areas. You will be in a position to know what's happening in the adjoining area, the previous process. So you will be able to foresee what may happen in your process too. This allows departments to begin planning for issues before they become a problem in their department. What has happened in the past, what is happening in the present is ERP past to present. Initially, friends, we started with small systems. Say 2 decades ago, we started with billing software. What this software was doing? Preparing the bills for the customers. Prior to that, bills were being prepared manually. Now, this billing software got enhanced to accommodate availability of items in the store also, meaning thereby that what kind of commodity is available, what kind of commodity is not available will also be known to this software, enhanced version. The previous one, only billing, nothing else. If you have the commodity, you bring it to me, I'll make the bill. I don't know about the availability of the commodity. Enhanced version, my software is in a position to know about the availability of a particular item also. I hope now we are in a position to understand how it grew. So, integrating accounting, finance, HR, marketing and other critical business functions. Meaning thereby that we were having isolated systems for all such kind of things like accounting, like finance, like HR, marketing. We were having independent systems. But now what happened? We started having singular integrated systems for this. Originally run on client-server architecture and customer designed applications. All such applications were getting designed for a particular firm and were working on a client-server architecture. What is this client-server architecture? We have already understood. To have a quick recap, one main computer is working as server and is catering to various nodes. They are the clients. The data is being stored at one server and is being offered to the clients. So, the processing, data storage, everything is happening at a centralized place. Now, web-based with a focus on social collaboration, development flexibility, faster response time and accessibility from mobile devices is really important. So, the ERP has moved from this to this. This has happened in the area of ERP, past to present. An enterprise application integration layer enables the ERP to interface with legacy applications, meaning thereby that we were having the few old systems. Now our system is in a position to incorporate with others with the help of what? With some application integration layer. With application integration layer, we are in a position to do this. So because we are using a cloud, we are using integrated systems, so we are in a position to have some add-ons also. I can add something to the ERP whenever I wish. So sales associates to process orders, take payments and collect signatures with an iPad application. Now you must have experienced that whenever a courier guy is coming to you, is asking you to sign on a mobile device. That's all. Field technicians to provide customer service from anywhere. The engineer or the technical expert is not available, is doing his or her job at some other location, but you are in trouble. They'll be able to help you out because of such integrated ERP systems. Marketing to manage every aspect of ongoing customer relationship using a smartphone application. What has happened? The consignment has reached to him or not. The installation is happening or not. Every bit is known because of such kind of present information systems. Production to access to the real-time information needed to reduce stock outs and excess inventory. We may go for excess production, or the stock of a particular commodity may become zero. But because of such integrated systems, it will not happen. Customers to access, pay and view invoices online. There is no need to go to the vendor or the supplier. You can go live, connect with the systems of your seller and make the payment. This you are experiencing day in and day out. Even when you want to book a cinema ticket, go online, book my show. This is being done with the help of IRCTC website across the country. You want to book a ticket, hotel, taxi, flight, whatever, then IRCTC is in a position to help you out. So ERP is the software infrastructure that links an enterprise's internal applications and supports its external business processes. It has grown, evolved from past to the present, and now the existing internal systems are open, available for the external devices also. Departments stay informed about what is going on in other departments that is having impact on its operations or performance. Knowing about problem situations and being able to work around them saves time and expenses and preserves good customer relations. So friends, it shares the database of parts, products, schedules, back orders and trouble spots. Responding quickly and correctly to materials shortages, spikes in customers' demand whenever there is a hike, or other contingencies means that small initial problems are solved instantaneously. Immediately you are in a position to solve such kind of problems. All ERPs must be customized to the need of the company. This is really important. ERPs as a software or the package are being created for business at large. Your organization will be having certain specific needs or characteristics. So the software need to be adjusted, modified, customized according to your needs. Now the question is that you should build it, take on lease or buy. Build, lease or buy is the conflict in our mind. We have a separate chapter for this and we'll be talking about this aspect in greater details. Right now, what this ERP is doing, so all ERPs must be customized to the needs of company, and how it works, how it can be customized. So we have various functional areas like human resource, finance, operations. They all are now being integrated with supply chain, product lifecycle management, business intelligence. This all is being done with the help of some authoritative data source, and this is having integration with enterprise applications. So legacy applications, lot of legacy applications you may be having, and this all is connected with the previous to the legacy application systems. With the help of internet, the cloud, we are in a position to connect it with external business partners also. So this is ERP in enterprise. This is the overview of the complexities of ERP in any enterprise. This all has evolved over a period of time. Initially, we started with something known as manufacturing ERP. Manufacturing was being treated as complex area, so people started automating it with integrated solutions, which got a name like manufacturing enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning related to manufacturing area. So success depends on lower costs, shorter cycle time, and maximum production throughput throughout. So we know that maximum throughput is required. This has to be done throughout the organization. Production time has to be reduced. Efficiency is essential. For this, we got something known as manufacturing ERP. What was the purpose? Minimizing inventory errors, maintaining optimal inventory levels, and leading to lean manufacturing. What is this lean manufacturing? Optimize inventory to keep production running while minimizing inventory on hand to control holding cost. As far as possible, I'll be spending less on inventories, raw material and finished goods both. Help manufacturers avoid material shortages. I have enough raw material with me. Manage production and coordinate distribution channels. Whenever a finished product is required, I am in a position to produce that, which improves on-time delivery. Now, what are the factors we must consider for ERP selection? We'll consider this in the next video.